Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the YouTube Shorts editor right from your phone. This is built into the YouTube app, so you don't need any extra editing apps. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus button. From the menu that pops up, select Create a Short now. The Shorts camera will open. You can either record a new video by holding down the record button, or you can tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to upload a clip that's already on your phone. At the top right, you'll see an option to change the length between 15 seconds and 3 minutes. Choose whichever works for your short. Once your clip is loaded, you'll see editing options on the right side of the screen. Text to add text overlays. Use the timeline feature to control when text appears and disappears. Sounds at the top to add background music from YouTube's free Shorts library. You can also adjust speed, add filters, and even use the green screen effect for more creative videos. When you're done editing, tap the check mark in the bottom right. Here you can preview your short and make final adjustments. Next, add a title. Choose your audience settings. Don't forget to include hashtag shorts in the title or description so it gets categorized properly. Finally, tap Upload Short and your video will go live on your channel, and that's it. That's how you use the YouTube Shorts editor on your phone. Super quick, super easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.